Hey, welcome to the beersjackofbbq. Check out the new Monument grill we just put together. Yeah, I'm Craig, man behind the camera's Jack. Yes, Monument Grills reached out to us again. If you saw us in the past, we put together a Mesa 400 series with a side burner. Then we did a 300 and a 200 series last year. And now they reached out to us again, and this is another 400 series for the Mesa. But this one's the Mesa 420MF, and the 20 is for black. So it's going to be a black grill this year instead of a stainless steel grill. But we like their products. I still have the Mesa 400 that we did 2 years ago that I still use today. So we're going to do like we did before in the past. We're going to show it being assembled. We're going to fly through that. I know some people don't always care for that, but if we run into trouble, we always slow down and tell you that we ran into a problem spot and explain what we did. But other than that, let's put this thing together. So the stand wasn't too bad, just figuring out a couple the way they went and how it did. I didn't tighten everything right away, but I went through and tightened everything. And then I just had Jack help me drop this on, and we're just going to continue on. Here we are, grill's put together. The only issue we had as far as, and it was our own fault, was when you put the side shelves on, you had to remove the one screw that was in the body. And then I thought a washer went on that screw, and it didn't because it needed a washer on the top two pieces, not the bottom two. So I had to undo that screw, take the washer off, so I had it for the other side. But other than that, it was pretty simple to put together. It did take some time. There were a lot of parts to it, but it's a nice looking compact little grill here. It's a 4-burner grill, and cast iron grates, the side shelf. I didn't put the battery in yet to light up the beginnings, or for the starter, I should say. But we're going to take it out in the patio, and we'll get some cooking done on it. We'll see you out there. Oh, I forgot to mention too, also got a cover for it, so always keep the grills covered on my patio. All right, I have everything on low, and it's right around 400 degrees here. You see how the meat stick inserted here. Just going to start warming them up. Or start cooking on them. Like I said, I have everything on. All the burners are on low, so we're just going to monitor this thing as it cooks. We're going to be shooting for about 145. All right, let's get some searing going on these things. Got the grill cranking. We'll see how it takes it. Try a minute aside here. All right, about a minute. All right, that should do it. All right, so you saw us do a bunch of cooks on here. We'll actually saw videos of a bunch of cooks that we did on this. Grill is actually a very nice, for how compact it is and being a 4-burner. It's actually a very nice little grill, and the price point is really reasonable. So this is definitely worth it. We'll have a link to where to buy this on Amazon. They're also doing, in the very beginning of this, and we'll have the dates on that, but they're giving away a free smoker box to go into this grill. You spend $54.99 on Monument and you get a free smoker box. Now again, this grill is on Amazon, so the Monument would be another piece of it for the free smoker box, but we'll have all that info in our information here at the end of the video. But definitely worth the price with the side shelf. I don't think we even showed you that piece of it. Side shelf goes down, very compact, nice grill.